and welcome again to Learning is Fun by MGB. And this is your MGB here. In my previous videos, till now, I have been giving videos on HTML, that is Hypertext Markup Language, how to create or how to write different codes related to HTML. Basically, how to create web pages. Now, very recently, I had given video on how to create nested list in HTML. Specifically, I had given videos on how to nest an order list within another order list. Now, quite similar to that concept, there is another concept which is nesting an unordered list within another unordered list. Now, both the concepts are somewhat similar to each other, except there are three little differences. So in my today's video, I will be presenting a demo on nesting of another list within another another list, but I will be just focusing on those few differences because the rest of the concepts are absolutely similar. I hope just going through the basic differences, you will be able to write the entire program. So hoping that even today's video will be beneficial and helpful to one and all, I move on to my demo. So here is my demo. So as usual, we begin with doc type HTML and rest of the part you know, so I'm not repeating. So I'll come to the main part where in the style segment, we are declaring the uh, list style type or the type of the bullets, the type of the numbering scheme that we are applying for the list. But in case of an order list, we are not using any type of numbering scheme. But before that, we have to see here that since we are nesting an another list within the another list, so here the OL changes to dual. And obviously, the value of the listel type will not be upper alpha because, as I told you, we are not using any kind of numbering scheme in another list. Rather, we use the symbols or the bullets like square, circle, disk, which are available in HTML. So I will be here using here square. So the outer list will be displayed in the square bullet. And for the inner list also again once again here the OL will changes to the UL. So the first UL is the outer list which is marked by red and the second one is the inner list. And thus here I will specify the next bullet which will be applied for the inner list. So that can be disk, circle or it can be square also. But just to make the difference I am applying is a disk. So this is the two differences, like we have to use the UL and we have to change the value of the list style type property. Both UL OL has the list style type property but only the value differs. And here we have to write the UL instead of OL. Next, coming to the body section, this is another main difference where the list will start with UL, not OL, because we are nesting another list. Even the inner list will change to UL. And we will also close with the UL/UL tag. So these are the three main difference between the nesting of order list within another order list and nesting of unordered list within another list. Rest of the part remains same. In both cases, we have to use the allies to describe the specify the list item, and other tags or other specification remains same. I hope this part is clear to you, and hopefully this will help you to create a program where you can nest an unordered list within another unordered list. That's all with today's demo. Thank you very much for watching, and do keep a watch on this channel for more such videos in future. So thank you once again, and yes, if you like the channel, if you like my videos, do share and subscribe. Thank you, and bye bye till next time.